Our planet is drowning in plastic. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountains, plastic waste has infiltrated every corner of the earth, wreaking havoc on ecosystems and wildlife. Single-use plastics like bags, bottles and straws are the worst offenders, lingering in the environment for hundreds of years. Microplastics, too small to see, have taken over our water, air and food chain, posing unknown risks to human health. Our animals are also at risk, and despite efforts to reduce, reuse and recycle, the production and consumption of plastic continues to rise, exacerbating this global crisis. But now imagine this beautiful world in danger, all because of something called plastic. Plastic's a tricky thing. It's everywhere, even in the oceans where it doesn't belong. And it's causing big problems for our underwater friends. Fish, turtles and seals sometimes mistake plastic for food. How sad is this? Urgent action is needed to stem the tide of plastic pollution and protect the planet for future generations. Imagine a world under the sea where fish swim freely and turtles glide gracefully. At Good Change, we are on a mission to help the plastic crisis. Our philosophy is that if everyone makes one small change in the way they behave, this can make or have a huge impact on the planet in which we live. And that's why we've created the Good Change Eco Fundraiser. You'll be going out into the community selling one of two products. The first one is the Good Change Eco Cloth. These cloths are made from wood pulp and cotton, and after 6 to 9 months of use, you can literally bury them in your home garden and they'll crumble back to nature. They're smell-free, streak-free, highly absorbent, dishwasher-safe and planet-safe. And they look cool too. The other product your school may have chosen is the bamboo reusable towels. These are an alternative to single-use paper towels and the synthetic towels which stay on the planet forever. They have many uses. They're smell-free, dishwasher-safe, versatile for many uses, and can be washed and reused up to 85 times. One roll is equal to 65 rolls of paper towels. So what do you need to do? Head out into your community with an order form and a flyer for the specific product your school has chosen. Take orders and collect money from friends, family, parents, office crew, and get your parents to post the flyer on Facebook to reach a wider community. At the end of the fundraising period, ask your parent to deposit the total amount collected into the Good Change fundraising account, which is located on the top of your order form. And $2 from every product sold goes directly to your school. Imagine this: sell 10 packs and you make $20 for your school. If you have 500 kids, that's $10,000. Having your involvement means the world, as you are the next generation who will really make a difference to our precious planet. Let's start today together.